In this short video, I will show you today how you can add declarative permissions to fxml views of JavaFX with the help of the @bash octopus framework. I have created a little demo program, so let's start it up to see what it does. It shows you an initial screen with username and password, where you can log in as an admin user, for instance. Let's start with the admin user. And then that second screen shows you the 3 buttons which are available. The button which will be used by everyone, and when we click on it, we see that it is working as expected. And then the button which will be only available to that admin user, which I'm now using. So let's try it with another user. And then you see that this time that second button is indeed hidden, no longer usable, and only the button that can be used by everyone is available. So how do we start such program? We use the start method of the newly defined secure fxml application class, where we specify as a parameter the view which will be shown to the user for retrieving the username and password, and a second view which will be shown afterwards when authentication was successful. That login view is a classic fxml view where you can define a layout that you like. The only requirement is that you have a field with an ID of user and an ID password, so that it can retrieve the username and password of the user and authenticate the user. That second page here is also a classic fxml view, except that we now can define some additional information within that user data section, which is available for each object. And here we define that you need the requires permission of admin before that button will be visible. That requires permission is just a simple class of Octopus which keeps track of that value which is defined in that view. So when the JavaFX shows the view on screen, it is first scanned for all those instances of user data and requires permission instances that we have defined on it. And then depending on the permissions the user has the button or field or any other component is hidden if the user don't have the required permissions. This is a simple POC, so let me know what you think about it with the Jira of the Octopus on GitHub. Thank you and see you next time.